Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today I'll tell you how to find out how long your computer has been on. Let's dive in. First, open the Task Manager. You can do this by either pressing ESC while you hold down Shift plus Control or type Task Manager into the Start search bar, then clicking the Task Manager app at the top of the results. Click the Performance tab. It's at the top of the Task Manager window. Click the CPU tab. You'll find this option on the left side of the Task Manager window. If you're using Windows 7 or down, skip this step. Find the Uptime heading. You'll see this in the bottom half of the Task Manager window. Look at the number right of the Uptime heading. This number, which will appear in days, hours, minutes, and seconds format, dictates the amount of time for which your computer has been on since you last turned it off. In my case, it's 1 day, 16 hours, 2 minutes, and 54 to so on seconds. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.